Hello, Jeff Flint with J Flint Products. This is the last window of the day. It's a beautiful morning in Cathedral City, California. We're at the Cathedral Canyon Country Club, and we have a very badly damaged window here, and we're going to restore this window at a fraction of the cost of replacement. And what we're going to use is we're going to use our Woolit pads. Basically, they're 5-inch disc pads. We have a steel one, which will rust, but it's okay because I'm going to wear it out on this window anyway. And then we have a bronze one, which I use for lighter jobs, and I can just repetitively use this as needed. The key to this job is having the polisher. There's no way you're going to be able to get this off by hand. And then you need to use some kind of powder. I like the Mr. Hardwater powder. There's absolutely no acids or chemicals in it. I'm not going to hurt myself. I'm not going to hurt the frames or the glass. It's non-scratch, and it's pet safe. It sells in a 5-pound bucket, and that'll last you a long time. What I like to do is mix it up into a paste, which I just leave in here. At the end of the day, it dries. I just add some more water so I keep using it. It lasts a long time. And so what I'm going to do is just turn this polisher on full speed, and I'm not going to have a very steady motion because I've been doing this long enough to where I can control the tool, and I know that the best way to do it is to really work the pad against the glass to polish this level of hard water off. So what I'll do is I'll wet down the window, and remember, my goal is to go as fast as possible. I'm on the clock right now, and so I'm going to wet this pad down a little bit. My tape measure is to measure how much square feet I'm doing. This is about 3.5 square feet across, and it's about 7 feet tall, so I know how to price the job when I'm on the job. And so what I'm going to do is I can put a little bit of powder or paste onto the pad itself, and now I'm going to put some on the window, and I should probably be able to do almost this whole section here in one quick polish. It's a little bit soupy, but it's going to work. The worst of the problems are down below. Let this set up for a second. Now I'm going to do this whole thing as fast as possible to finish up this job. The way to price these jobs is generally about $3 per square foot, and that includes the sealant. The whole process shouldn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes to remove 30 years worth of hard water removal if you know what you're doing. Eye goggles. All right, ready. Let's see. Oh, can you hit the... These polishing tools have a GFCI breaker on them, so you always want to flip these on. They're great tools. They have a variable speed on it. I always start in low, and then I start working. Let's see. That's low, and I'm just going to tweak this thing all the way up. Alright, that's how you do it. If you noticed, I kind of used all the powder and I drew all the moisture out of that, the initial moisture, and the reason is I just get a better polish. And you can tell it's a little bit of effort, but I'm done. It took me 5 minutes, and now that that's done, I can move on to the sealer, which only takes me 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you that in a second. That's 30 years worth of hard water just taken right off. That's a little bit of extra material. A little bit of the powder, you can take the powder, the original powder off with just a Woolit sponge, and you should be good to go. You can also use the Woolit sponge and the powder to touch up the frames, which is a big plus for this kind of material. And that's how you do it. Try to use an old squeegee here just to try to work this stuff off. There we go. Now we're back down to glass. That's it. Bruce, what do you think? We got our customer here overseeing operations.
It is absolutely amazing.
That's it. We're done. That's the J-Flint tool set, and it has everything you need for hardware removal. And now what I'm going to do is break out the sealer and show you how to do that next.